welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my birdhouse. So let's go. So this is my birdhouse. So let's go. What birds are doing? There are 5 birds. There are 3 birds. There's one bird and there's the other one. So this is let's find. So this is the female bird. Look this. So this bird has laid 2 eggs. And where is that? This is a female bird too. This bird has laid 2 eggs too. There are some designs. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comment, do you like this bird? And which animal is your favorite? Bye!